Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your body, such as your height or your breast size on your picture and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the create button, then select the picture. Click on the beautify button down below, tap on body, and here you can choose from a bunch of options. If you tap on breast, you can adjust the size of your breasts, then your hips too. So you should place this thing to the relevant part. You can also change the size of your waist, then your face too, then your height. You can see how it changes by the help of this slide. You can also make your photo to look smaller or slimmer, as you can see. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Tap on the check mark icon at the top and see you in the next one. Bye bye.